So on to the tough stuff. So want to address some of the terms that we're faced with when we're buying sustainable branded merchandise. And I've got some lovely examples to show you as well. Right, so there are 6 common categories that sustainable promotional products fall into. Number 1, recycled. So these are products, as the name suggests, that are made from recycled materials. So giving a second life to a product that's been disposed of. And I might actually hand this round, but this is an example. So this is an rPET tote bag, and it's manufactured from 100% plastic water bottles, so recycled water bottles. And how it works, in a closed kind of facility, production loop or production facility, the bottles are cleaned, they're shredded, then they're ground down into pellets, melted and processed into big rolls of fabric that are then turned into the bags. So next we have recyclable products, and they're products that can be recycled after the product's been used. So for example, we have here a gorgeous aluminium bottle. So drinkware that's made from aluminium or glass are the most widely recycled products globally, which means that they can go through the recycling process again and again without losing any quality in terms of the material. And the interesting thing about this is that aluminium only takes about 5% of the energy needed to recycle it than to make a bottle from scratch. So it's fabulous for the environment. Reusable products, so they're designed to last for years to come, and they can be used repeatedly, which in turn then reduces our consumption of single-use items, and also it means that less waste is sent to landfill. So examples of this are water bottles again, also metal straws, and also tote bags. The trusted tote is a really good example because it can be given away today at an exhibition, and then you can use it in your daily shop tomorrow. So it's a great way because you always have an army of kind of brand ambassadors bearing your logo and walking the streets. Next, we have biodegradable products. So these are products that are made from natural materials such as bamboo or cork or hemp or cotton or wheatgrass. I could go on, but they break down in the natural environment and they're decomposed by organisms. Now, I just wanted to show you a couple of products just to kind of demonstrate the sustainability journey that they've been on. So this is the original octopus. This was launched, I think, in 2015. And it's and it's manufactured from PVC, and then it's plastic packaging. So it's a multi-charging cable to kind of synchronise all your technology devices. So then fast forward to today's version. So this is the Mr. Bio. This is manufactured from biodegradable plastic and wheat straw, and the beauty, and also it comes in an eco-friendly packaging. And the beauty of this is that when Mr. Bio gets older, he will biodegrade much quicker. So it just goes to show you some of the great strides that we're making as an industry in the move towards sustainability. Next, we have give back items. So give back items are products that support sustainable causes, and they're becoming so much more popular. In fact, if you have a spin round today, you may have seen the Impact brand on your travels. So this particular brand is a really good example of a give back range. So they donate 2% of the proceeds of each of their products back to WaterAid. So that's something that is really high on everyone's agenda. And also sustainably made, so it's not just about the product, but it's about how the company does business. So there's particular questions that you need to ask when you're buying sustainably. So for example, does the company sign up to the Good Business Charter, like ProAd? Do they have policies in place to make sure that their factories are safe, like ProAd? So that's a couple of questions that you need to consider.